And now I request Mr. Ramanujam to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. My heartful pranams to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Sivakumar Swamiji. Being a very trusted academic partner from the industry point of view, SIT Siddhaganga Institute, all the stakeholders start from the director, principal, and all the faculty of Siddhaganga. It's a honor and privilege for me and my colleague to be here on this auspicious day. Many of the Hindu believe that Shivaya Vishnu Rupaya. Yesterday I had an opportunity to see the Lord Vishnu in Tirupati, and today another fortunate for me today to take the blessings of Sri Sri Swamiji here. That is just because of this great occasion. So we are very, very happy to be here on this occasion. We all do believe academics are very, very important, and maintaining the good consistency in your academics and wonderful preparation. The young students chosen their next 4 years course as part of their engineering program, going to be in Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. So I would like to congratulate all the students who have chosen. Their 4 years career is going to start from SIT Tumkur. And also best wishes to the parents over here. Couple of students and the parents spoke about this institute. From many decades, me as a industry person, very often visiting and looking at the kind of growth of this institute by collaborating all the stakeholders' efforts, start from the directors are. The director is a kind of visionary after his tenure from Surathkal, probably couple of decades ago, how it was SIT, and now if me as an industry, a collaborating stakeholder, when we look at today, the kind of growth is enormous. Probably 2 decades ago and now, though friends, the message which I would like to convey is the kind of visionaries you could see in this institute, it's very, very huge. In their guidance, by maintaining the kind of discipline and the vision and culture, these are very, very, very important. No matter whatever the kind of academic percentages you maintain the next 4 years, but if you try to dilute in terms of your discipline or your vision or your culture, some way or the other you are going to lose your success, be it as an entrepreneur or an employee down the line. So friends, this is the kind of institute where along with the academics, you will learn a lot about your personality development as well, which is very, very important in the current days to become more successful. So I would like to once again congratulate all the people, both parents and students, to opt for this great institute. These days, you are going to start your professional course as an engineer and going to come out as a very professional engineer probably 4 years from now. And most of the industries are looking at very cost-cutting mode. Why only we need to look at engineers? Why not science graduate or commerce graduates? Considering their cost-effective model. Keeping that in mind, you as an engineer, you need to look at how I am going to be very different from a normal course student. I being a professional student, next 4 years I need to look at very innovative ideas, lot of new things to look at, how I can think through in a different angle. so that my value addition is going to be very high compared to normal graduates. So that's the kind of mindset you need to build next 4 years and look at how different you are compared with other science graduates. Being a professional student, along with your academics, discipline, you need to look at, build your thinking out of the box. Why I should develop in a different direction, why I am doing this particular activity, how I can build an application knowledge. If I am part of a computer science or mechanical engineering, how I can implement lot of digital forces to automate the things. This is the kind of thinking you need to build along with your ideas, with the help of your teachers, so that you are going to be very, very hardcore and selling person, when you come out of the institute. On top of that, next 4 years, apart from maintaining your culture, values and everything, you should have even, enjoy every moment of next 4 years. These 4 years are going to be very, very happy days by all good means. So friends, these 4 years will not come if you can't, enjoy every moment. You make sure that you'll have lot of good memories next 4 years by considering entire your regular activities, be it be studies, be it be involvement in any extracurricular or co-curricular activities or academics, or me participating in some of the symposiums and so on. You will get to know down the line. It may be some of the words which I'm using may be a little new for you, but you will get to know with the help of your teachers as you grow every semester, next 4 years. And totally, you will make out that, how kind of transformation you will be going to see from a young engineering student today and probably 4 years from now. Along with you, you need to make sure that your parents, your teachers, and the kind of career you're going to choose, all your stakeholders need to feel that, they are very proud that the transformation from 3rd August 2015, from 4 years from now, what kind of transformation, be it be communication skills, be it be kind of behavior skills, we need to improve each and every moment. So that makes you more successful individual, and I'm sure with the help of the great people, who are going to be the driving forces of this institute, very clearly, I could visualize you all going to have a great career probably from 4 years from now. As I mentioned, Shivaya Vishnu Rupaya. So we see the Swamiji here who believe that Manava Seva is Madhava Seva. The great Swamiji is doing so many decades, so many activities through which, very close to offering a lot of services to the people, with which we could make out that the kind of God we have, with their blessings, I'm sure, definitely we are going to be very, very successful next 4 years and even beyond. And these are the few words I thought I'll share on this occasion. And coming to this award, as my professor, training and placement department briefed already, across India, only 100 institutes where we honor this Best Student Award, and SIT is one among that. And across Karnataka, only 12 institutes where we institute this particular award. Apart from this Best Project Award, we give only 6 institutes across Karnataka, SIT being one of that 6 institutes. And SIT, we have a separate memorandum of understanding also to do so many activities along with the recruitment which happens once in a year. We regularly touch base with the institute and make sure that how we both collaborate on a regular basis and make sure that how some of the people believe that there is a gap between institute and industry, how we can together reduce this gap on a regular interactions, either directly to the students or to the faculty through faculty development program, so that the faculty can convey the message to their students in a better way, and down the line it will be a win-win situation both to the student, to the faculty, to the institute, and even to the industry. So this is how we believe only few institutes where we have an MOU, and SIT being one of our trusted partner from the industry point of view, and we connect on a regular basis to see that students are up to date on all niche technologies in whatever the discipline which they choose, be it be mechanical engineering, be it be electronics or electrical or computer science. Unless otherwise I upgrade my skills on a daily basis, I am going to be outdated. I'm sure many of the faculty and including myself, we would have studied some of the old legacy systems no longer used in the current world. Unless otherwise I upgrade my skills, I am not going to be a useful person, be it in academia or industry. So I need to upgrade my skills on the daily basis or weekly basis or regular basis. So keeping that in mind, we connect with the institutes on a regular basis to make sure that the gap is going to be reduced between institute and industry. I once again thank every stakeholder of this occasion today on behalf of my organization and my colleague. Once again congratulate all the students and the parents' best wishes. Thank you very much.